Welcome to Being Honest News. In today's digital age, understanding digital marketing isn't just beneficial, it's essential. Whether you're a business owner, aspiring marketer, or just curious about the digital landscape, this video will provide you with valuable insights into the world of digital marketing in 2025. Digital marketing encompasses all marketing efforts that use the internet or electronic devices. Businesses leverage digital channels such as search engines, social media, email, and websites to connect with current and prospective customers. Search engine optimization, SEO, enhancing website visibility on search engines. Content marketing, creating valuable content to attract and engage audiences. Social media marketing, utilizing platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn to promote products or services. Pay-per-click, PPC. Advertising, driving traffic through paid ads. Email marketing, sending targeted messages to nurture leads and customers. Digital marketing has evolved rapidly over the past decade. From the dominance of desktop browsing to the mobile-first approach, and now the integration of AI and machine learning, the landscape is continually changing. Rise of influencer marketing, growth of video content and live streaming, increased focus on personalized user experiences. Certain keywords in digital marketing command higher costs per click due to their competitiveness and value. Targeting these can significantly boost ad revenue. Top high CPC keywords, LinkedIn advertising, $652.25 TikTok advertising, $306.10. Google advertising, $228.73 Bing. Advertising, $200.47 Twitter. Advertising, $95.68. Understanding which niches yield higher revenue per mila, RPM, can guide content creators toward more profitable topics. Top high RPM niches, AI tutorials, $10 to $18 RPM software. Tutorials, $10 to $30 RPM affiliate marketing, $15 to $30 RPM email marketing, $20 to $40 RPM. Coding programming, $15 to $30 RPM. Leveraging the right tools can enhance your digital marketing efforts. Essential tools, Google Analytics, track and report website traffic. SEMrush, SEO and competitive analysis. MailChimp, email marketing automation. Hootsuite, social media management. Canva, graphic design for marketing materials. Implementing effective strategies is crucial for digital marketing success. Key strategies, content personalization, tailoring content to individual user preferences. Omnichannel marketing, providing a seamless experience across multiple channels. Data-driven decisions, utilizing analytics to inform strategies. Customer engagement, building relationships through interactive content. Artificial intelligence is transforming digital marketing by enabling more efficient and personalized campaigns. AI applications, chatbots, enhancing customer service. Predictive analytics, forecasting customer behavior. Content generation, automating content creation. Social media continues to be a powerful tool for marketers. Emerging trends, short-form video content. Popularity on platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels. Social commerce, shopping directly through social media platforms. User-generated content, encouraging customers to create content. Digital marketing offers diverse career opportunities. Potential roles, SEO specialist content marketer, social media manager, PPC analyst, digital marketing manager skills required, analytical thinking, creativity, communication, technical proficiency. Digital marketing is an ever-evolving field with immense opportunities. Staying updated with trends and continuously learning is key to success. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe to Being Honest News for more insightful content. Have questions or topics you'd like us to cover? Comment below.